Excellencies, poverty alleviation is another pressing issue for SCO countries. The rise in political and military conflicts across the globe and the consequent hike in the energy and food prices worsened by post-COVID-19 recession, and it has seriously affected member states' ability to address poverty. As the permanent chair of SCO Special Working Group to combat poverty, Pakistan will do its utmost to provide the required impetus to our collective efforts in raising the living standards in the SCO region. Excellencies, the SCO member states have a shared interest in ensuring peace and stability in the region, which is a precondition for any kind of economic development. Achieving lasting peace and stability in Afghanistan is a linchpin to this common objective, while the international community must meaningfully engage with the interim Afghan government to help them meet their genuine economic and development needs. Interim Afghan government must take concrete and effective measures to ensure its soil is not used for terrorism by any entity against other states. Recent terrorist activities has been a matter of great concern for all of us.